Hey everyone, my name is Gregory. I'm the Global Barber Ambassador for Braun. Now today, I'm going to give you some really good tips on how to give your kid a trim at home. So today, I've got a very special guest with me. What's your name? Lincoln, and this is my son. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to give him a nice trim just using our Braun multi-groomer 9-in-1 trimmer kit. Now, I'm going to tidy up his hair. Not going to give him a full haircut, I just want to tie him over until I can get back to work and give him a proper haircut. So I'll be using the Braun 9-in-1 multi-groomer. Now, the reason why I'm using this is that it's so easy to use, it's super lightweight, it gives me the confidence to do this step by step with you. And what you're going to need first is a gown or a towel or anything like that to cover up, stop the hairs going down onto their back and neck. Get yourself a comb, any comb will do, and just comb out their hair. Now, my comb attachment is on, and I've moved mine to 17mm, okay? Because again, I want to make sure that I'm not going to go straight in with something really short and struggle, and make you guys struggle to get a line out or anything like that. I want to start out, I want to try and prevent any lines being created. I want this to be a simple, easy trim for you at home. Hand on his head, like this. Best way to do that as well, to keep hold of the comb, is to place the comb between your index and your thumb, like that, and place it on this. You still got hold of the comb when you need it. The attachment itself is flat here, and has a curve towards the back. Now that is to help create graduation. So as you're working on, you place it flat on the head, and you scoop it as you come. So once I've finished with my larger attachments, I've placed on my 3 to 11mm attachment. I'm going to start again a bit lower down here now, so where I've finished off, I'm going to start on my 11 attachments. And we're working again, scooping system, thumb in front of the blade, hands underneath, and working up. Moving on to my 9mm now, locked into place, hand on head, going lower down. As you can see, we're getting a nice graduation, very soft graduation on this. For the very bottom of the sideburn and around the hairline here, I'm going to go down to 5mm. I'm just going to scoop off at the very bottom, very lightly and very gently. Working around the ear. Pull the ear back and use the corner of the blade and the attachment to work around the ear. All that'll do is add a nice taper to the ear, giving it a little bit longer time to grow out, but not leaving any steps. I'm going to work on this part now, so from the back of the ear to the middle here as well. Back up to my 11mm, comb the hair down, hand on head, and work it up and off. Imagine up to that imaginary line coming through here. The scooper motion needs to come at that imaginary line, and that'll stop any heavyweight lines being left in the hair. Up to 9mm, and with my imaginary line is there, I'm going to scoop off about here now, so just 1/2 centimetre under. 7mm now from the bottom, and work it up and off. So moving down to our 5mm now, we're coming a bit lower down now, so imagine a line coming from the ear, meeting to the imaginary line in the middle, working up to there. Braun tools really do give you the confidence to do this on yourself. Really easy to use. Next up is our detailing. So tidying up around the ears and the neck. So I'm going to switch to my precision trimmer. Nice and straight from here to the top, and put a nice line in there like that. Okay, now that'll seem like a straight line to you, but when you let go of the ear, it curves around. Pull the ear back, rest the trimmer on your index finger, and in one semicircle, work it around. And what we're not looking to do is to go around like this, because that will leave a lot of stubble to grow out. We're looking to follow, almost as you can see a line in Lincoln's hair, so you can see where his thicker hair is, here. So place your middle finger on his neck to steady, and just behind the ear, and then place a line from the top. What you do is put the trimmer on the skin and move it to the left. Do that all the way down in a nice straight line. No curve, no round at the bottom. Nice and straight. Then just go to finish. Just run it alongside the line up towards the ear, and that will take off all the hair on the neck. And as you can see, there's no harsh step, there's no harsh blend line, there's no wedge, and we've trimmed that down to a nice short length. Right, old man, we are done. Happy?
Brilliant, Dad.
Thank you very much. And thank you guys. If you need any more grooming advice and tips, head over to Braun.com.